How to see saved reels on Facebook. So all you have to do is to tap on Facebook here and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see three dash lines there, the menu. Tap on that. For others, it's actually on your upper right. Now the next thing that you want to do here is to tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now what you want to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see your activity section and tap on activity log. Now under here, what I want you to do next is to go here to your view groups, events, and reels. Tap on that and tap on filters. So you'll see three options on the upper part. Tap on filters here and tap on categories. Now under categories, you will see reels here. So what you want to do next is to tap on reels audio you've saved. Tap on that. Here you will see, basically you will see the reels audio that you have saved. Now the other thing that you can do is to tap on reels effects that you've saved. You will see here there. Tap on categories again. You can actually see the reels GIFs clips that you've saved, and basically that is how you see saved reels on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.